Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back again. This is your African boy, myself, Gabs Gabi, and yeah, namaste to all my Indian viewers here. So today I'm going to react to one video from African friend also here in India by the title, "Have you experienced racism as a foreigner in India?" I don't know. This question also might apply to me. Later I will tell you if I experience racism, because actually I'm a student in India, guys. I'm studying, but I complete my BTech, that is petroleum engineering. So maybe this year I might leave. Okay, so I will tell if I experience or not, but first let's hear from this video. Don't forget, guys, actually this is my new reaction channel. Kindly I'm requesting all of you show some love and subscribe to this channel in case you want to watch my vlogs all over India. Like, I visit a lot of nice amazing places, amazing state in India. Just go check Gabs Gabi TV. You will really enjoy. Also subscribe there, and let's go.
Hey yo, what's up fam? It's your boy Musa. I'm back again with another video. So as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, what I'll be doing today is basically I'll be going around Chanika University asking international students if they've faced any challenges,
Actually, guys,
particularly asking about racism,
Pradesh,
if they've faced any form of racism coming from the Indians or generally for Africans, in particular Asians, you know. So yeah, just tune in, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share with your friends.
Today I'm out here with
Sonam Peltonurbu from Bhutan.
I'm Sonam.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Bhutan.
I'm Badal Pradhan from Bhutan.
It's Jovan.
Okay, Jovan, where are you from?
I'm from Uganda in East Africa.
Mr. Roland.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ivory Coast, west parts of Africa.
So like I have one question for you today. The question that I have for you is, can you tell me the struggles that you have as an international student here in India?
Firstly, it would be communication barrier. We can't understand some of the Indian languages and they can't understand us, so it's a bit problematic. And one problem is that we have difficulty crossing the roads. The traffic is really bad and they don't follow the traffic well. Yeah, so that's the issue.
In terms of like maybe racism, are you facing any form of like racism?
No, actually, it's good. Yeah, people are nice to us.
No, they're generally nice, yeah. Generally, yeah, like the guys in my class, hostel, like guys are nice in general, yeah. The only time I felt like it was racism, it was from an illiterate girl, a village girl I found in the town, yeah. So like I was going to church one Sunday morning, and so I was walking, and there was this girl, she didn't have no shoes on. So I was behind her. So when she stood and turned back and saw me, she was freaking out. She started shaking and like trembling and whatnot. She began moving that side. So yeah, but I didn't feel bad because like you could see that she didn't know anything. But these guys that go to school, they know that there are different people elsewhere. So like they know what's up, and they're nice. It's only those local people, of which some local people don't actually care. They want to talk to us, yeah. So it was the only time. Otherwise, it's nice. Guys are nice. Yeah.
As an international student here in India, what challenges are you facing like on a daily basis?
Actually, being in India, I don't like the weather of here. It's very hot. Right now it's March and it's quite okay type, but I can't imagine during summer when it reaches up to 48 degrees Celsius. I can't imagine how can I manage here. And another thing is that being in hostel, it's a little difficult for us to adjust with mess food. It's a little not that good as expected. Yeah.
I would probably say like it's the traffic here because it's really bad. It's like it's my second year studying in this college, like or in like coming in India, but then I still have like trouble crossing the road, so it's really difficult for me. And I would say like the environment, it's really dirty compared to our country, so yeah, it's
You're having struggles like the pollution and everything.
Yeah.
And then in terms of like racism, are you facing any difficulties coping with like the Indian people or anything like that?
I would say maybe or maybe not. I mean, like I will go half because some Indians I found it they are really friendly. They're like supportive, and some I found it rude. Yeah.
No, I didn't face any racism here because most of the Indians are very frank. They are friendly. Just because some Indians act little immature, but they are friendly and very frank. I like them.
But about racism, like I saw on the table, like people are just saying that they don't want any form of racism here. But for me, like everything is okay. I'm not facing any form of racism because like they can see me also. No one can come and like it depends on people. So for me, it's okay. I'm not facing any problem of racism here. Yeah.
It's generally nice. The only challenges are like different cultures, the weather. Yeah, because like it's too extreme. Like when it's hot, it's very hot. When it's cold, it's very cold. And the rain yesterday was like really vigorous. Yeah. So maybe the weather. Otherwise, it's generally nice. And yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, about Saturday Ninja. First of all, let's say that I just came here last year. So like I facing like some challenges, but now actually like I can maybe say that I was having like some medical issue before. It was like the most strongly problem that I got in India. But except this one, I can say everything is going all right for me in India.
Everything is going all right.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that was really amazing. Like, yeah, this is what mostly some of the foreigners or African are really experiencing out. Like, let's put the racism aside. I will come back to it. Like, let's speak because as a student, mostly some of us are coming here so for studies, and some of us will be in the hostel. Like when we talk of hostel, 90% of foreigners are really not happy with hostel stuff, guys. Like I heard this like everywhere in every state in India. Mostly they are complaining, but I don't know why. Like it's not about. I don't think this one is a problem to in India. It's like it's a problem which come from a university or the college, because like I see those Indian, like if it's not that possible for them to change the food or whatever, because since they can accept the admission from foreigners, why don't you like why can't they do that? But see, this is like another things, like it concerns the college, because even in my university here, I'm studying in GNTU, but my college is Aditya College of Engineering. Also my friends, they are complaining so bad about the hostel food. They complain more than 1,000 times. Every new student, they will come and complain. Like there is no any change, man. I don't know why they are doing like this. And me, because of that, I don't I don't love complaining. That is why I choose to stay outside. I'm renting outside, and I'm so happy to stay outside because I can just cook whatever I wish and I do whatever I want. So that is another way you can avoid like wasting your money in hostel, guys. So what I love, like there is one guy, he really spoke very well. Like let me make it short, guys. If someone actually will ask me, have you experienced racism in India? Like racism will be everywhere, even in India, Africa, every country in this world. Definitely you will experience that. But like what you have to ask yourself, like you don't have to be mad when the way you behave or the way you treat others. If you are behaving well, you're treating other people good, definitely like I'm saying, it's gonna be hard like to experience racism. Like what this boy he said also, like it's okay, you can experience from other local people, like illiterate people. You can't judge them. Like illiterate people are everywhere, like they are not that open-minded, so they will judge you according to, yeah, it happened usually. Not the same situation which happened to this boy, it happened to me, but me, I take it easy. Like I don't even care. I don't care, man, because like yeah, as he said, some are illiterate. Some have never seen African. Like some in India, like if you go to local places, deep down in the village, some people have never seen black people. Like I don't know what to say, but sometimes the way they behave, like maybe because of fear or maybe because of the mentality or the story they heard about the black people or about the place, African or something like that. Like it's about the mentality. But if someone studies, someone is educated, I don't think they will take it in a negative way. And I will say sorry to my African or foreigners who, yeah, I know some they experience racism, but I just have to give one message to all the foreigners and African out here in India, guys. Honestly, like Indian, most of Indian, not all, but I will say most of them, they are so good, they are so friendly. Only if you behave like according to them. Like obviously, no one will accept rudeness. Like if you're bad to me, even if I'm Indian, I will definitely show you my bad part, man. No one will accept that. Okay, so just like mind your business, be good to your friends, and stop like creating things that will bring problem. That is where hatred will start on. So this is what I can say, and I love this video. Shout out, kindly show some love to Musa, and yeah, and also show some love to me. I'm still this is my new reaction channel, guys. So that is it. I don't want to speak too much. I love India, guys. I really love India, and I wish if Indian government will say we African or foreigners should stay here without visa, man, I would have been Indian. Like I would have been not been Indian, but India have would have been my second home. India is really nice, and yeah, I love everything, guys. Jaya Hind, Jaya Africa, yeah, Tata.